Do you know there is a frog that literally freezes in winter and comes back to life in spring? It's called the wood frog, and it lives in North America, even as far north as Alaska. During winter, temperatures drop below freezing, and the wood frog's body actually freezes. Its heart stops, it doesn't breathe, it looks dead. But here's the crazy part. It produces glucose that acts like antifreeze, protecting its cells from damage. When spring arrives and it thaws, the frog starts hopping around like nothing happened. Scientists study this because it's a unique survival strategy in extreme cold. Imagine being frozen solid for months and then waking up perfectly fine. Would you survive frozen like that?